Because we've seen a lot of people, oh jeez, I've just stepped in the biggest puddle. We've seen a lot of people obviously just video it and say, oh look, here it is. But let's just go through some of this rather than just show you a video or a picture. I mean, some of the elements. We pointed out in our last video, the last video we got, Kurt actually come down and got some footage for us. So as I said, this is the first time I've seen it. You can see the water running down there. I'm just going to step in it now. It's way too late for me to worry about dry shoes, I can tell you that. And take the look. We did say, okay, it's very wet there. I'm going to move to this bit. We did say that the skyline was going to change here at Paultons Park, and it has. And it really, really has. First of all, we have a vertical lift and drop, or beyond vertical drop, roller coaster here at Paultons Park, a Gerstlauer Eurofighter. But some of the elements are mad. I mean, I couldn't wait to see this drop into this element coming out the top here. And it probably would have been quite easy to do it as an inversion, but instead we're going to have a little bit of an airtime hill going over as it then swoops down over here, and that's where you get the turnaround point. You then have this awesome bit here before you head around the station, and then the stall. I don't think enough is being made of this stall, and I think it's at quite a good height where it's not going to sort of fly through it. I think it's going to be quite well paced for a stall. And we don't really, do we have any stalls in the UK? I don't think we have any stalls in the UK. And actually, that's quite a long stall. They might not look quite a long stall, but let's just bear in mind, these are Eurofighter cars. These aren't, you know, 7-8 car long Velocicoaster style ones. That is quite a long stall. We've got a lovely lift hill. We've got that element. We've got that turnaround point. It's going to be lovely and sharp as well. Plus 2 inversions and this stall. That stall for me, I think is going to make this coaster. That's my guess. That's going to make the coaster. I'm just going to go swimming back through the car park. I think it will make the coaster, the stall. And it's amazing to see. Genuinely, first time I've seen it in person, amazing to see. And you know, the rain doesn't put me off. Now then, we are open for November at the moment. It is quite limited in November, but we are going to go and ride Storm Chasers. If you want to stay with us, we're going to take you on board Storm Chaser in the rain. It's not due to stop anytime soon, so I've just accepted I'm going to get wet. We can't get over that side of the park to have a look, sadly. The Lost Kingdom is under winter maintenance, and that reopens for the Christmas event in 2 weeks' time, or just under 2 weeks' time by the time the video goes up, and then we'll get some more views of over there. However, you can sort of see the Vild swing poking through over there, and we know that's tested. We've seen a video of that testing as well. We'll see if we can get anything on the inside, but I don't think we're going to be able to see much, to be honest with you. I believe it is blocked off once I've swum through the awful weather, honestly, awful weather. But you want to know what Storm Chaser's like in the rain? As you can see, it is still raining now. I'm inside the park, but it is great, honestly, great to be back in a UK theme park. I know it sounds silly. I've had a lovely holiday, but it is great to be back in a UK theme park, and we can still ride rides in November, which is the absolute key. As you can see, everything's blocked off down there. That is all under winter maintenance, and that opens in 10 to 14 days time. Okay, now we are standing from a safe distance. We're not on site, but we've managed to get a look at Drakon up close with nothing in the way. And it's a bit weird actually, because there was loads of track here, and there were loads of supports here last time, and there were loads of diggers, and there were cranes, and now there's nothing here at all, and we can get a close look of what's going on. And believe me, this isn't all we're going to show you either, as we look at this, and of course up over to the station, and of course the lift hill. Now we are going to zoom in a bit further to show you some more of this. Now again, we did say at the start, look at the overhang here, look at this, and looking at the sizing of it, given the pacing of it, I do think this stall will be taken at quite a nice pace. And then of course down into the final turn, I think it's going to pull some G's coming in here. But again, you kind of look over here, and we can't see the bottom of the lift hill, but we can see what will come out the top here, which is crazy, is just crazy. I mean, that turn just looks crazy. And it looks really, really smooth as we come across as well. The elements seem to blend so well into each other. And we have said, and I'll say it again, looking at the layout complete, this is going to be short, granted, but it's going to be very punchy. And I think this is going to be far, far more intense than what people think it will be. I think this is going to be a stunning machine. I can't wait to get on it. Can't wait. Oh yes, here's your first look at the entrance to Realm of the Vikings. You can see the other piece here ready to go up. Now we did see those come into the park. They were sitting on the road here, which we will show you is no longer a road. And of course the actual entrance piece with one of them installed. You can see the restaurant in the background is completely devoid of scaffolding. That is done. We'll get a close-up look at that as well. And then as we pan around here, this is the queue line, or the forming of the queue line for the Veiled Swing. Now we know the Veiled Swing is operational, it's worked. I've been told that you know, it's ready to go, unbelievably ready to go. Now from here you can see that this will indeed be one of the entrance ways in. Before you get down there, and you can see all the old wooden pieces down the bottom there have been taken out, and the path will kind of expand out, but this will be your entrance in. This pathway's gone. This will be grass by the time that Realm of the Vikings opens. And of course we'll have a look at the station, but let's get a bit of a close-up of these. Now the lovely entrance portal, it's not complete, you know, let's not forget this is not complete, but look at him. How cool is that? And as we pan around here, you probably did see it, that's the other piece. And then this roof, I would guess, is going to sit on this tower right here. Over at the station, this is indeed the entrance. So the queue isn't really there quite yet. And as we did say, because we saw the markers, you will enter from behind here and then head round up and into the queue line. Oh, just look at some of the track and indeed some of the stairs going up to the station area. Oh yeah! Now, if you are coming for November next week, or indeed over Christmas as well, so Christmas effectively adds the Lost Kingdom and the Sky Swinger back in. If you are coming for November, Tornado Springs is open, which is great news. You can get on the pirate ship, you can go on the Caterpillar, there's quite a few rides open, including Peppa Pig World as well. But as you can see, I'm here for Storm Chaser. And I think this will be riding really quick in the rain. Now, I've gone back row, and I expect to get some splashes on this, and I expect it to be windy. But hey, to ride a roller coaster in mid-November, this is what you can expect. A little bit of wind and rain, not going to put me off. Love this coaster, and I know it runs well in the rain as well. Here we go. Oh, we got to. Oh, I don't know how balanced we are actually. Oh, I can feel the wind. I can definitely feel the rain. Oh, now this is a bit. This is a bit. Oh, Jesus! Oh, God. Oh, yes. Oh, it's great to be back. Right, Storm Chaser. Realm of the Vikings here at Paultons Park. Just how good does that look? How good does that look? And I have to say, it was a complete shock there that they've let me go down. Obviously accompanied and to the fence, not any further, to go and have a look. And I'm eternally grateful for them. That was absolutely amazing to see that up close. And I'm telling you now, seeing it from the other side, as opposed to this side, it really, really hits home just how punchy this coaster is going to be. I can't wait. I can't wait for it. I can't wait. But it is raining and I need to get a little bit warm. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm pleased to be back. I couldn't wait to come back and check it out. And there it is. We've still got 6 months, but it's coming. It's coming nicely.